Good day mga ka-CRT! Welcome back to our channel. I'm going to illustrate the calculator technique using Canon 789 SGA Edition 2 in solving the determinants of a 4x4 matrix. Let us have this example. Find the determinants of the 4x4 matrix given here. So go to your calculator, Canon F789 SGA Edition 2. Press mode. Then select 7 for matrix. Then select matrix A. So press 1. Then for the dimension, this is 4x4. So we have this in option 1. 4x4 dimension. So press 1 and enter the given values. So for the first row, this is 5 equals, 3 equals, 1 equals, and 7 equals. For the second row, negative 4 equals, 7 equals, 6 equals, 1 equals. For the third row, negative 2 equals, negative 1 equals, 9 equals, and 3 equals. For the fourth row, that is 6 equals, negative 5 equals, 8 equals, and 1 equals. Press CA, then ups, arrow down. For the determinants, this is option 1. So press 1. Then ups again. Select matrix A. So press 3. Close parenthesis and press equal sign. And the answer in our calculator is negative 4,056. And this is the determinants indicated here. For our second example, find the determinants of this 4x4 matrix. So from our calculator, we can press mode and 7 again, or simply we can press ups, then we can edit the data entered in matrix A. So at this point, I'm going to edit the values of matrix A. So press 2 and go to matrix A, press 1, and we will edit the values in this matrix. So this is 2 equals, 1 equals, 7 equals, 3 equals. That is for the first row. For the second row, we have 5 equals, negative 1 equals, 4 equals, and 8 equals. Third row, negative 3 equals, 2 equals, 6 equals, and 9 equals. For the fourth row, 1 equals, 2 equals, 4 equals, and negative 1 equals. Next, press CA, press ups, arrow down, press 1 for determinants, press ups again, then matrix A, press 3, close parenthesis, and press equal sign. So the answer is negative 470. So this is the answer as indicated here as our key answer. That's all for this calculator technique using Canon 789 SGA Edition 2 in solving the determinants of a 4x4 matrix. See you in our next video tutorial.